Welcome everyone. Today we will do previous year questions on game tree. Here you can see one question on game tree was asked in June and one was asked in December. So it is expected to get one more question in coming exam on 16th 17th September. So be prepared everyone. And this is one of the most easy question you can solve. So let us start with our first question. This was asked in June 2019 UGC NET exam. What is the question? Consider the game tree given below. This is our game tree where circle and rectangle represents min and max nodes respectively. The value of the root node of the game tree is, we have to find the value of root node, right? This is a min-max tree. What is this? Here a person tries to maximize its point and another person will try to minimize your point. You can get more information on game tree from Google search. Here we will just solve this question. To solve this question, we will use bottom-up approach. We will start from last internal level. Now here you can see this is min level. Now what does this mean? For this node, we will consider its both children and we will get the value which is minimum. Why is it so? Because this level is trying to minimize a value. So minimum of 7 and 9 will be 7. So here it will come as 7. For next node, now its one child has value 6 and another one has none value. There is no value for other child. So we will just take value 6. Now for next node, again we have to find the minimum value. Now minimum of 11 and 12 will be 11. Now for next node, there is no value for left and right child. So again we will take no value. For next we will get 5, then 4, then none and none, right? Now we will move one level up. Now on next level we have max function. Now here we will try to maximize our value. So maximum of left child and right child is, so maximum of 7 and 6 will be 7. Next same way maximum of 11 and none will be 11. Whenever we have no value on any node, we will just ignore it. Now for next we will get 5 because 5 is greater than 4, and for next node we will get no value. Clear? It is very simple. We only need to check on which level we are looking for a value. If it is minimum level, then we will get a minimum value, and if it is a maximum level, we will get a maximum value. Now next level is minimum level. So here we will try to minimize our value. Now minimum of left child, that is 7, and right child, that is 11. Now minimum value will be 7. Now for next node in same level, left child has value 5 and right has none. So final value will be 5. So this is the minimum level. Again we will move one level up, that is max level. Now for max level we will try to maximize our value. Now on left child we have 7 and on right child we have 5. So maximum of 7 and 5 will be 7. And this is our last level, topmost level. And here we get our desired value. Value of root node of game tree is 7. So let us see our options. Option 1 is 4, option 2 is 7. This is our desired output. So correct answer for this question will be option 2. This is our next question. This is similar type of question. This was asked in NET December 2019 exam. Again, we are given a game tree with some values and we have to find the value of root node. We will follow the same process. We will start from the last internal level. Here you can see this is the minimum level. So we will try to minimize our value. Here left child has value 17 and right child has value 19. Minimum of 17 and 19 will be 17. So here we will get 17. Now for the next node on the same level, left child has value 16 and right child has no value. So we will take 16. Same way for next node it will be 111 because we have to find the minimum value. For next node there will be no value, then 15, then 14, then no value, then no value. I hope you got the basic idea how to solve this question. Now we will move one level up. Next level is max level. That means we have to maximize our value. On left child we have 17 and right is 16. So maximum is 17. Same way for next node it will be 111. Then we will have 15 and then no value, right? Then we will move one level up. Next level is min level. So here we will try to minimize our value. Now left child is 17 and right child is 111. Minimum of 17 and 111 will be 17. So we will get 17 at this node position. For next node we will get 15. Now move one level up. This is our topmost level. Here we will try to maximize our value. On left child we have 17, on right child we have 15. Maximum of 17 and 15 will be 17. And this is our final value. So value of root node is 17. So correct answer will be option B, 17. So one question was asked in June 2019, one was asked in December 2019. And it is expected that one more question will be asked in September 2020. So all the very best guys. Do well, and if you liked our video, subscribe to get the latest updates.